Well, good morning to y'all. I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm yelling at you, but I'm trying to let you hear over my blow heater. Alright, because it's pretty loud. So, it's a Sunday morning. I hope you're having a good morning, and salute y'all. It's coffee time. Well, anyway, y'all, I'm going to read y'all a little passage from Hebrews 13, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so this is going to probably be a short video. So here we go, guys. I asked the Lord to help me find something to read y'all for today, and bam, there it was. So here it is. Okay, we need to go over here and get the scriptures. Alright, Hebrews 13:1. Let brotherly love continue. Be not forgetful to entertain strangers, for thereby some have entertained angels unawares. Remember them that are in bonds, as bond with them, and them which suffer adversity, as being yourselves also in the body. Marriage is honorable in all, and the bed undefiled. But whoremongers and adulterers God will judge. Let your conversation be without covetousness, and be content with such things as ye have. For he hath said, I will never leave thee nor forsake thee, so that we may boldly say, the Lord is my helper, and I will not fear what man shall do unto me. Okay? So I wanted y'all to hear that right away. I'm getting back to what I was reading. Okay. So, 1, honor thy father and mother. Don't be fearful of what man can do to you. When I was a little kid, and other little kids used to threaten me, I said, well, you can kill the body, but you can't kill my soul. I said that without even thinking about it. Okay, so they just kind of looked at me and left me alone. They figured I was a little nuts, but it worked for me. All right, because kids will always say, I'm going to kill you, I'm going to kill you, you know, like little kids do. They're stupid. But that just popped out of my mouth, and it worked for me my whole life. Well, anyway, as a child, you know. And then it goes on to telling you that don't be worried about what somebody else has. Don't covet after somebody else. And the reason why I'm saying this is a lot of people stressing about, I've got to prep. Well, I don't have this electric heater. I don't have this generator. I don't have, you know, my garden ain't growing good. And this, that, and the other. I know, because I was one of those too. Okay, y'all? I'm like seeing Pinball, and he's got all these generators, and all these other people, they got all this stuff going on. And I'm sitting here just pinching my pennies, trying to just, you know, prep. Okay? And the Lord says, don't worry about it. He'll take care of you. And I was just saying, okay, recently I was just saying, don't worry about it. Do the best you can, and God will take care of the rest. He's always taken care of me. Even when I was homeless, I still had a safe place to put my head. I had food in my belly. I had clothes on my back. And I didn't have to worry about it. As long as I kept my awareness and, you know, watched out who I talked to and how I dealt with them, everything was fine. So he will take care of you guys, all right? Do the best you can. Prep the best you can. There's nothing wrong with prepping, okay? But don't stress if you ain't got what somebody else has, all right? God will take care of you. He will, okay? It's hard to foresee that, but he will, all right? Don't lay on your laurels and not do nothing or try to do anything, but try to do something. Build some little garden, or put water back, or, you know, if you can afford a generator, get one. But like Pinball said earlier in one of his videos, people lived without electricity a long time ago and they survived. You just got to make sure you protect your food and your water, you know, and do the best you can and leave everything to God. So that's what we're doing. We're doing the best we can, leaving everything to God. All right, y'all. It still sometimes gets stressful because you hear, oh, you got to do this, you got to do that. You know, if you don't prep, do this, do that. You know, all this kind of stuff. God will provide. Don't worry about it. All right, y'all. Like right now, we bought a wood heater a long time ago. So at least we can able to heat ourselves in the cold. Now in the summer, it might be a little more difficult, but God will provide. And where we're living right now, it's the coolest spot in our whole area. Okay, we stay the coolest, but it still gets hot. Well, I love y'all. Do it God's way, not your way. And honor your father and mother. Help those that are in bondage, visit them, talk to them, whatever, whether in the bondage of the mind or bondage in jail or bondage in being a servitude to their boss or, whatever, or they're in a relationship that's really bad, help them out. If nothing else, just, give them a hug or be a friend, or, if you hear some good advice, you advise them and see if that will work for them. Whatever, do something, okay? Well, I love y'all. This is going on 6 minutes. Okay, have a good day, and I just wanted to read that to y'all.